thanks. Hope this goes well. Well, there you go. Motley blue.
Here we go. Part one, or introduction, of the new project that has now arrived in the shed. And as you may see, it is a 1983 Range Rover Classic. So what I'll do now is I'll just so I purchased this from a family who were selling the car due to unfortunate circumstances. Let's put it that way. Very grateful to the family for selling it the way they have, and it must have been very difficult, so thank you very much indeed for that. So what I'll do now is I will just take a quick whiz around the top of the vehicle, and we'll go from there. So as you can see, a little bit of paint required here and there. Gonna have to recover these. The gas struts have still got gas in them, which was a bit of a novelty. Good to see. Look at that. The back, yep, that leads a little bit of TLC. I got 6 wheels with the car, 2 brand new tyres and 4 not so brand new tyres. But hey, good strong solid rear bumper, an exhaust that makes a good noise, and this side is the bad side for the paint. So yeah, needs a bit of work there. The interior is remarkable for the year. Usually you find some of these vents are broken, but hey, and it's had a dash mat on it, which is great. So that does a bit of protection. The roof lining hasn't sagged. All in one piece. Even got the mirror on the back. Oh yes. So yeah, so the seats are in really good nick. Back seats are immaculate. Well, as good as they can be for the year of the car. Rear carpet's beautiful. I'm going to put some seat covers on so that but these are a bit of a novelty. I haven't seen these on a headrest before. That's a bit interesting. So yeah, all this stuff, all good. The battery cover, I had a problem with the battery at the beginning, but put a new one in, and then the earth strap gave me a bit of grief. But got it going. So this side, similar to the other side, needs a bit of work here and there, a bit of paint. The roof, if I can get the roof, as you may have seen in another video, is requiring some paint, as is the bonnet and the deck panel, I believe it's called. So I've got to get one of them, and I've got to get one because it's got a snorkel in it, and I'm not a fan of snorkels. So a new earth strap, new battery, got to anchor that down yet. It's got green coolant in it. I've done an oil change. The oil was a bit grubby, as you would expect for the year of the car. Got to do all the brakes, got to change all the brake fluids, power steering fluid, wash a bottle, needs a bit of TLC. Going to put some sound deadening on the underside of the bonnet when it's been painted, if this is the bonnet that I'm going to use. There's a bit of work to do here. Going to put a light bar on there, hopefully. We'll see how that goes. Got another one of these coming. So that's it, yeah. Around, not a great fan of the snorkel. So this is aluminium as well, so I'm going to see if I can find another one. If not, I'll have to repair this one somehow. That's not my gig. I will give that to somebody who's very good at what they do. Underneath, so yeah, it's had Old Man Emu, it's had a lift kit fitted, dual brakes, and all the brake pads are brand new. Obviously the discs need a bit of a clean because they haven't been running for quite a while. Same on this side. So everything's looking pretty good here, and all the places that they usually rot, it's solid as a rock. So yes, new brake pads on that one. Got the rear axle seals leaking on this one, so replace that. Might take the rear axle off, give it a bit of a paint. It's got a bit of backlash in it. Not sure exactly how much that's supposed to be, but anyway, it's got turret aligners on it. Oh, while I remember, inside here, like, there's 3 gear sticks. So you got the regular one, and this is the high, neutral and low, and then there's another one over here. Does anybody know what that one is? It's a push-pull thing. So I'm not sure exactly what that is. I haven't seen it on one of the cars I've had before. So it goes up and down. Not seen that before. This is a temperature gauge, I'm assuming, because it moves as the car heats up. Or genuine radio that I don't have the code for. So if anybody knows what the starting code is for one of them, that'll be great. Alright, I will now lift it into the air. Here we are underneath, so I'll run you through underneath as it looks, and then we'll yeah, see what people see apart from what I don't see. So it's all in really good nick. Right, there's no real corrosion, chassis solid. So there's some split bushes and things, and as you can see, the swivel seals are leaking. So swivel seals are leaking on both sides with the cobwebs. So they have to be replaced. As usual, I might be taking the axle off. So the unis appear to be all right. Usual oil leaks on the bottom of the gearbox. Looks like a smaller than normal drum for the handbrake. I'm not sure about that. And this plate on the side looks bigger than normal. I'm not sure. Anyway, and then they've got this like diaphragm here, which I'm assuming is part of the push me pull you stick. But we'll no doubt people will feed back to me on that. Got a little bit of an oil seal leak here, so I have to replace that. Exhaust is novel, so it's been welded up and it's a bit close there on them, but it's not touching. These bushes here appear to be okay. Fuel pump looks alright. Again, new shocks and springs. And this damp has been removed, which is a good thing because I would have done that anyway. Looks like there's been a prop shaft repair or something on this as well. But anyway, it's got a bit of excess in it, that one. Fuel tank looks relatively new. No rust or corrosion on that at all. And it's even got a drain plug. Bit of grub on there. But apart from that, yeah, it's got all braided brake lines. And it's had all new brake lines fitted. The gentleman has been very conscientious and fitted diff breathers which go up into the engine bay, and that's on both axles. More cobwebs. Don't want to find out what that came from. So yeah, disc pads are all good. Bit of cleaning up to do with the discs, obviously. They haven't been run for a while. But yeah, it all looks pretty good to me anyway. No obvious corrosion or anything. I think I've been very lucky. More cobwebs. I think I've been very lucky here with this. Thank you very much. So yeah, bit of work obviously. Oil leaks and stuff to do. drop this cross member out, which is going to be a bit of joy there by the looks of things. Might as well start spraying penetrant on that now. Alright, so I think that'll do. So that's the car underneath. So you'll have seen the videos of my wife took of getting the car on the trailer and getting it home and then driving it up the back. So yeah, we'll see how it all goes, eh? And the part one of I don't know how many parts. Thanks for watching, and thank you for subscribing and all that other wonderful stuff as usual. Thank you very much. Bye for now.